Hello everyone! Today we will cover multiplying numbers with 4. Please bring your worksheets and let's get started. Last week we learned about multiplying numbers with 3, which means we are jumping in the patterns of 3. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. So how many jumps did we complete? We completed 2 jumps of 3, so the first number tells us how many jumps, and the second number tells us the space between each jump. 1, 2, 3, 1 jump, 1, 2, 3, second jump. So the answer is 6. Let's try one more. We have the equation 6 sets of 3. This means that we are jumping 6 times with 3 spaces in each jump. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 1, 2, 3, jump. 2, 1, 2, 3, jump. 3, 1, 2, 3, jump. 4, 1, 2, 3, jump. 5, 1, 2, 3, jump. 6. So the answer is 18. We jumped 6 times in the patterns of 3, so the answer is 18. In today's lesson, we will learn about multiplying numbers with 4. Just like other numbers, that means we are jumping in the patterns of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. Here we have 3 sets of 4. We know this first factor means the number of sets or jumps, so we have to do 3 jumps. The second factor means the size or the number of spaces in each jump, so 4 spaces in each jump. Let's start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. So the answer is 12. This time we have 2 times 4. So we are jumping 2 times in the patterns of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. So we jumped 2 times in the patterns of 4, and the answer is 8. Let's try one more. 4 times 4. So this time we are jumping 4 times in the patterns of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 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 So the answer is 16. We're now going to use an array to solve a multiplication problem with 4 as a factor. Remember, array is what we call these shapes or objects organized into equal rows and columns. So here we have 3 times 4, which is same as 3 sets of 4 or 3 rows of 4. How will this look like as a vertical equation? It will look like this. Remember, with these vertical multiplication equation, you have to read from the bottom line to the top. So this is 3 rows of 4. On your array chart, it will be 3 rows of 4. Then we will fill in the spaces to make a rectangle. So the total number is 12. This time we're going to try the other way around. Here we have the array chart filled. How many rows of what do you see? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. So it will be this. Remember, we read from bottom to the top. So it is 5 rows of 4. And the answer is 20. Let's now move to our work text. You should be on page 239, and you have to complete up to 240. On numbers 1, 2, and 3, you're going to draw jumps of 4 to picture this equation. On number 4, you're going to skip count by 4s and write the missing numbers. Numbers 5 and 6, you'll have to picture the fact as an array. And don't forget you're reading from the bottom to the top, so it's 5 rows of 4, 4 rows of 4. Number 7 is a word problem, so let's try this together. Chandler collects 4 eggs from his hens each day. How many eggs will Chandler collect in 7 days? So the question asks, how many eggs will he collect in 7 days? So we're looking for eggs that he collected in 7 days. Then what information is given to us in this problem? We know that he collects 4 eggs from his hen each day. And we're also asking, how many eggs are collected in 7 days? So 4 eggs from each of the 7 days, meaning 7 sets of 4. 7 sets of 4. We can also read this as 7 rows of 4. You can complete this array and write down the sentence to answer the question. The back page is very much like the front page, and you can complete this on your own. You will also have to complete the arrays worksheet. So on one page of the arrays worksheet, you're going to write how many columns and rows each array has. On the other side of the worksheet, you're going to draw the rectangular arrays that you make and label them. For example, on this example sheet, the student drew 5 different rectangular arrays and he or she labeled each array. So for this one, she drew a rectangle and then wrote down 4 times 5. So I want you to do the same thing and draw 5 rectangular arrays and label each array. If you have a hard time doing this on your own, you can always bring this to our Zoom meeting and we can go over this together. All right, so that's it for today. See you next time.